Ontario Power Generation's nuclear power plants are designed first and foremost with safety in mind. That means there's redundant systems and components to provide layers of defense. There's very specialized skills and training that we give our staff. And we're always looking for ways we can improve our performance and learn from others.
We've got the people, we've got the equipment, we've got procedures and emergency plans in place. And we train and drill to these emergency procedures many times throughout the year.
We practice for events we never expect to happen.
You prepare for the unexpected by practicing responses to things that just aren't likely to happen. You do drills and exercises for events that are beyond design basis. You break things that don't break. You take barriers away that are always there, but you practice for that anyway.
We work with the local community. We work with emergency response organizations across the province to be prepared for any eventuality.
We have a facility out at Wesleyville, and we use that facility to not only train our own staff, but we also do joint training with our external stakeholders, and that builds those strong working relationships that in an emergency you want to be able to count on the people beside you.
Immediately after events at Fukushima, we looked at our own barriers and defenses. While an earthquake and a tsunami of those magnitudes are not possible in this part of the world, there are things we learned, and there are actions we took, and additional barriers, additional equipment to make our defenses for things like flooding or freezing rainstorms more robust than they've been in the past.
We didn't do this alone. We worked with our international utility and regulatory partners to learn from them what they've experienced, how they were responding to the events in Japan, what corrective actions they were taking, and we pulled that together in order to formulate our plans here at Pickering and Darlington stations. And in fact, our CEO, Tom Mitchell, was the leader of the group that coordinated the worldwide response of utilities to the Fukushima event. OPG's response and learning from the Fukushima event has covered a wide spectrum. We have new equipment, we have new training, and we have new skills for our people, and perhaps most importantly, a new appreciation to expect the unexpected and to have a nimble, flexible approach to respond to them. It was a big investment for OPG, but the investment was worthwhile to provide additional margin of safety that's important to us and it's important to the communities where we live and work here in Durham Region.
The operation of our power plants must meet strict regulatory guidelines. We are under constant scrutiny from an independent regulator. On top of that though, our staff and their families live and work in the surrounding communities. We have a keen focus on safety. It's absolutely essential to us. It's the core of our business.